Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. Yesterday, we had nothing much to discuss about gold. It was the first time, I guess, okay, when we did not discuss about any level, okay. But today you can see on the chart, we have many levels. Okay, so let's try to unfold the chart of gold one by one. If you look at the market sentiment, then you will see that there is no major news, okay, that is driving the market right now. But you can see gold futures hit record high as US import tariff sparks turmoil. Yesterday also we discussed that, okay, we have a rare event going on, because yesterday when we were discussing about gold, our market was trading around 338685 and the futures market was almost trading at 347576. So this type of difference is rare. This type of difference is unusual, and yesterday, okay, market was not very pleasant to trade also. But if we look at the current situation, we can see the difference is coming down, because spot market is running around 3397, almost 3400, where the futures market is running around 3458. Okay, it's a good news that the difference is reducing, because whenever there is an abnormal difference between the spot market and the futures market, okay, you need to keep in mind that something is really off. And if we look at the number of contracts here, okay, we can see the number of contracts are still the highest at 3500, and yesterday there was some decrease in number of contracts, but today we can see that we have an addition of 522 contracts at 3500. In simple words, when the futures market will hit 3500, it will face some resistance, or when futures market will be around 3500, our market will be around, I guess, 3440, 3450. Market will face some resistance. So the range of gold, okay, I think the range of gold is still going to be the same. It means if you're expecting an all-time high, or if you're expecting that gold is going to break 3500, chances are very less, because the futures market won't be able to cross 3500 that easily. इतनी आसानी से तोड़ नहीं पाएगा, and our market won't be able to break 3450, 3440. If the number of contracts reduce by the end of the month or during the third week of the month, okay, then you can expect that, okay, gold may go up. If numbers do not decrease, then chances are very less. Okay, so keep in mind that 3450, 3440, okay, is the resistance for gold right now because of the number of contracts. And if we look at the daily chart, technically also we can see the same thing. Gold has been struggling very hard for the last couple of weeks and months to cross this particular area, and this month also, means in the month of August also, chances are less that gold will be able to break. Okay, so you need to plan your trades accordingly. If we look at a daily chart, okay, you can clearly see the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. That's why I said in my previous videos also that if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position. Okay, but if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then you need to respect the present trend, which is market is sideways, and you need to plan your trades accordingly. Means separate strategy for swing traders and a separate trading strategy for day traders. And now this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us. Okay, on the 4-hour chart of gold, okay, let me remove the drawings first so that you can understand better. If we draw Fibonacci like this, you can see market has respected Fibonacci perfectly. Okay, around 3377. So where is the next level of Fibo? The next level of Fibo is around 3356. Okay, this is the next Fibo level on the chart of gold. So during, okay, not during that day, okay, next week, if gold shows a little bit of downside, then you can expect the next bounce to be around 3356. Apart from 3356, we can see 3350, okay, is also a good support. So these are the two levels that we can see clearly on the chart of gold, 4-hour chart of gold. Okay, if we look at the hourly chart of gold, then also we can see a similar story here. Okay, 33 4950, remember from where gold bounced. Yes, this support is still very much valid because market took support previously, and 50 is a round number. It's a psychological support. If gold breaks 3350, then things are going to be different. Gold will be under pressure. As long as gold is trading above 3350, market will either be bullish or the market will be choppy or sideways. For example, if you look at this recent candle, so we can clearly see we don't have any trend. But is this under pressure? No, gold is not bearish. As long as gold is trading above 3350, gold is bullish or sideways. Okay, so here also you can see the 3350 is a good support. During next week, if market comes down, we can look for a support around this area. And 3355, 3360 is also a support. Okay, we have made it a zone, the blue box. Okay, it's a zone on the 4-hour chart because of the FIBO, and on the hourly chart also we can see that we have a good support. So these are the two support levels from the higher time frame. And if we switch to 15 minutes time frame, day traders time frame, we can see a mess. We can see a clear mess. This is not a chart that you would like to trade, isn't it? But still, we love to trade on gold. So let's look at the trading opportunities. Anyways, my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker for your hard-earned money, then you can consider opening your account with Vantage, or you can consider opening an account with Star Trader. Both are very much reliable options, and they are highly regulated. Means safety-wise, they are top-notch. And Vantage, okay, we all know Vantage is a big brand, global brand. It's also an official partner of February. So if you open an account with Vantage, the spread on gold will be around 22, and you'll get a swap-free account above $1,000 deposit. But Star is more flexible. The spread on Star Trader is lower, 17 to 18 on gold, and a lifetime swap-free account for Indians. And if you're from outside India, then your account will be swap-free for 2 weeks, 14 days. So both are very much good, or one of the best options available for the forex traders राइट नाउ स्पेशली फॉर इंडियंस. अगर आप इंडिया से हो, एक रिलायबल ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म की तलाश है, you can consider Star Trader as well as Vantage. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day traders. So as we have already discussed, 3350 area is very crucial. Okay, and before that, 335560 is also an important support for us. But the problem with these two levels is that they are far away. If we need some immediate levels, then we can also consider 336768 to 3365. See, okay, 3368 to 3365. This is the yellow box that I have drawn here. Okay, is also a good support. You can look for us if market takes support around this area. Here also we can expect a good buy opportunity. So 3350, 335560, 336865. These are the three reliable trading levels on the chart of gold. But the market has been very choppy, and in a choppy market like this, do not go for tight stop losses, because tight stop losses, okay, they do not work. Market is the market opening is going to be important for us. After the market opening, okay, if we see the market is coming down, observe the volume. Hopefully the volume will be low. Market should be behaving like a normal Monday market. If that happens, okay, we can look for an immediate support around 338788. Means day traders can look for a support around 338788. If it takes support, if you see price rejection from below, you can look for a buy position. On the other hand, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market has formed a big red candle, then obviously you need to use your common sense. Avoid buy around 338786. But when there is not much volume in the market, we can expect the 200 moving average to provide support. Okay, and then the second support will be around this area, 3376 okay, here also we can look for a quick bounce of 40 pips. Right now the market is choppy. In a choppy market like this, the levels do not work properly. So whenever we have a sideways market trades in a range, okay, we have a strong support resistance. But here you can see we do not have strong support resistance. The levels that have been working, okay, market has already tested many levels, बहुत बार test कर चुका है, and when a level becomes too common, there is a fear of stop loss hunting. Okay. So be careful. Okay, if market comes to our levels, then only go for a buy position. Means the best levels are 3350 335560, 336568. Okay, but those are far away, so we can also look for a support around 338788. We can also look for support on 337576 area as well. 71, okay, may work, may not work, I am not sure. There is a high chance that if you go for a buy also, after 20-30 pips, market may come up again. Time will speak, but the market opening is going to be important. And on the other hand, after the market opening, if gold starts going up, then okay, you can look for a buy about 3410 if you want a breakout, but right at the market opening, please avoid, because for any breakout, volume is extremely important. Without volume, there cannot be a breakout. Rather, there is an opportunity for a sell. If you're a scalper, अगर day trader हो, scalping पसंद है, okay, you can look for a quick sell around 3410, 3409 if market shows price ejection from above. One level, two trading opportunities. It all depends on the volume. If market reverses, hit the sell button. If you see the market is really bullish, market is going up, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market and you can buy. But as of now, okay, let's wait for the market to open. Okay, not much to discuss right now on the lower time frame, especially for day traders, because you can clearly see the chart that it is not messed up. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.